In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to offer a bundle discount on Vinted. Offering a discount on multiple items is a great way to encourage buyers to shop more from your closet, and I'll show you how to set it up quickly. Before we start, if this video helps you out, please consider leaving a comment, subscribing to the channel, and giving it a like. Your support helps us create more helpful content for you. To set up a bundle discount on Vinted, follow these steps. Open the Vinted app and log into your account. Go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Tap on Bundle Discount and select the discount you want to apply, usually as a percentage off, for example, 10% or 20% off for buyers who purchase multiple items. Once you've selected your discount, save your settings, and the discount will automatically apply to eligible purchases when buyers add multiple items from your listings to their cart. And that's it. You now have a bundle discount set up, making it easier to attract buyers to purchase more from your shop. To recap, today we covered how to find the settings for bundle discounts and customize them for your Vinted store. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let us know if there are any other Vinted features you'd like to learn about. And stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.